How to speed up any internet connection in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can speed up any internet connection in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your run. To open up your run, you can type your Windows key plus R. After you do that, your run will open up, and now here you will need to type in ncpa.cpl and then hit enter. After you hit enter, your network connection setting will open up. Now after you're here, simply select your Wi-Fi, right click on it, and then head over to your properties. After you're on your properties, you will see different options right here. Head over to configure. After you're on configure section, head over to the advanced tab, and right here you will see different properties. Now under properties, make sure that your 2.4G and your 5G has the value auto. I have already set it to auto, so make sure you do that too. Now head over to preferred band, and after you're on preferred band, make sure that you prefer 5G over 2.4G. After you do that, there are a lot of other options too that you can just play around with. Now here, make sure that you select all of these in these very properties, and after you do that, make sure that you have dual band, or you can simply tap on 5G only if you want to use 5G only. After you do that, you're basically good to go. After doing all that, you can head back and tap on OK. Now what we'll do is we can just cross this now, let it load. It might take some time, and after doing that, you can right click on this, again head over to properties, and after you're on properties, you will see your different options. Now you can scroll down and make sure that you have selected your Internet Protocol version 4. After you selected that, you are almost good to go. Again, you can head over to your Internet Protocol, make sure that you select v4, and then head over to the properties option. And after you're there, you will see your alternate DNS. If just you can use the manual version, and here under preferred, make sure that you use 1111, and the alternate one is 1 0 0 and 1. So this is a cloud DNS and it's a really good one. You can use this, or you can use the Google DNS, that is 8888. You can use that and then tap on OK. After doing that, you're basically good to go, and your internet now should be faster than it was before. And that is how you automatically make your internet faster in any Windows device. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.